Clap it up, give yourself a round of applause. Shout out to everybody on the channel that saw the YouTube short I uploaded yesterday, or if you're in Discord, shout out to you, gang. Google up 11% when we started the day, and after hours yesterday was up a total of 16%. We ended up entering calls on Google, and if you made that trade, shout out to you guys. We had some crazy stories in Discord for the week, missing a couple earnings plays, and then just hitting one, making all of that money back, and then some. Not only did we call out Google, but it's been a great week, calling out GameStop as well, saying it is going to get a bounce off of this descending support trend line and come all the way up to anywhere between 1130 and 1190, and now we're sitting at 1185, up about 6% on the day. What is going on, guys? Auto Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a lot of stuff to cover with AMC, so make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't have to watch another update here on YouTube. Or if you do want to watch more updates on YouTube, I don't blame you. The more information, the better most of the time. But I'm going to try to keep this short, sweet, simple, to the point, and bring you everything. Since I research, edit, upload, record these in that order for you guys, please just hit the like button. It helps me out, and we are just brushing 19,000 subscribers. So if you want to be one of those people that helps us get there, do it now. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get into AMC's chart, there's a couple things I wanted to cover. Changes to DTC collateral haircuts effective April 30th, 2024. As part of the annual renewal of the line of credit facility, DTC will implement the following changes to modify collateral value for certain securities which may affect the value of positions applied to the collateral monitor. Number 1, collateral valuation for corporate notes or bonds rated B1 to B3 will be updated to use haircut value of 70%, up from 50%. Number 2, no collateral value will be given for any ETF or other investment vehicle that includes Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency as an underlying investment, hence will be subject to a 100% haircut. Keep in mind, we also have the CAT system potentially being implemented in May, AMC's earnings, and several other catalysts. It's going to be a fun month. Also, next Thursday, the DTC to retire the remaining Credit Suisse 1000 and 1500 series accounts. The repeated opening and closing of Credit Suisse accounts has me thinking the unwind is not going smoothly, and news has come out that this is going to be extremely costly. Last but not least, before touching on AMC's chart, South Korea's financial market regulator announced on Thursday that it's testing a new system aimed at spotting illegal short sales of stocks before ending the current ban on these trades. The country's law prohibits naked short selling where investors sell stocks they haven't borrowed first. So if you guys don't remember, South Korea ended up doing a short selling ban. However, they're going beyond even further, testing a brand new system that is going to potentially spot illegal short sales before they happen. The new system will electronically track all short sale transactions by big investors and check them through a central system at the stock exchange. The head of Financial Supervisory Service FSS explained that illegal short selling has been a key reason for the Korea discount, which makes Korean companies appear less valuable compared to global firms due to issues like low dividends and unclear management, which is a huge problem in the US market. So shout out to South Korea for taking a step forward. Maybe we can learn something from them. Okay, AMC trading at $3.45, up 5.2% on the day. This is what we've been tracking back here. From the bottom of this was the 43% range. From the top of the wick was 68% before mooning higher. Couple things that I wanted to note. We stopped at the 43% range. If we go up 68%, that puts us directly in the zone that we have been waiting for, which is between $4 and $4.35. We have called out every single thing over the past couple of weeks to a T. AMC's next level is $3.80, and then it's going to $4 to $4.35 before potentially rocketing higher. Now, the only thing that we have to watch out for is May 8th earnings. Okay, that is one thing that we're paying attention to. Overall, enjoy the momentum while it's going good, which is going to bring us into the numbers. Before we get into the numbers, AMC also had a huge order imbalance on the buy side of 410,157 shares. Short interest sitting at 21.34% over 56 million shares shorted. Still 22,000 calls compared to 11,000 puts expiring in the money, and then 75,000 calls compared to 25,000 puts expiring out of the money. So we are winning by double on the options chain, but a ton of premium going to market makers. Short exempt volume actually died down for the 25th of April. If we come over and we take a look at the chart, this was a decent green candle that we saw yesterday. GameStop 16,000 calls compared to 1,000 puts. We're seeing a nice gamma build to the upside. We are cooking on the options chain by about 15x, and then 33,000 expiring out of the money compared to 11,000. A little bit of premium going to market makers. Keep in mind that they are dumping short exempt volume on this rise from 10,000 to 23 to 37, and then I bet today it's going to be much higher, which we will see tomorrow. GameStop has now hit the price target of just recording this video of $11.90. Expect potential rejection right here. That is what I'm calling out right now. This is real time. Okay, before we get into the overall market, what's happening, the SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, crypto, guys, get in the Discord. You would not have missed the trades that we took this week. I post my trades as soon as I take them in there, and we just talk about trades before we take them. Post our gains, post our losses, and there's options trading alerts. It's literally a $3 Discord, $4 Discord, a coffee a month. Level up your trading journey and get in here, guys. There are no bad questions. Everybody is just trying to become financially free like yourselves. The link is right under the video, and I'm offering you literally, this will pay for your Discord. Open a Moomoo account through my link and make a deposit to start earning free fractional shares of the Magnificent 7 up to 10 free fractional shares or a 1.5% transfer cash reward. Moomoo is giving you a ton of benefits: level 2 order book data, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, customizable earnings calendar, and I can go on and on. Either way, it takes 2 minutes out of your day, and since it's the weekend, the market's going to be closed. Make sure to utilize both of the links in the top of the description and pin in the top of comments. Let's get back to the video. March PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred inflation measure, rises to 2.7 above expectations of 2.6%. Core PCE was 2.8 above expectations of 2.6. We now CPI, PPI, and PCE inflation rising for 2 straight months. How can the Fed cut rates? This is affecting the market, or at least should have affected the market. It seems as if rates being higher for longer is already priced into the SPY. The SPY finally broke this downtrend that it tested several times. In my opinion, if volume surpasses volume from yesterday, you're going to see a nice follow through on the SPY and large moves higher. However, if it doesn't, I see the SPY slowing down at 510.75 to 515.25. This is the range I see the SPY slowing down. Same goes for Nvidia. Nvidia broke this trend as well, gapping higher, fought resistance right here around 860. I think we close right around there and then gap for the week next week. Again, if the volume isn't following through, you're going to see it slow down at 880 to 900. Tesla had a beautiful, beautiful candle for the week on the weekly time frame. This is actually a major candle, major step forward for Tesla. But one thing I wanted to note, if we don't close above 176 on Tesla, it doesn't mean much that we get this candle. And that's not for saying this week, that's for saying a daily candle close at all. Next week has to close above 176 to confirm an uptrend, in my opinion. Okay, so that's just something to watch out for Tesla. Now, crypto. Japan goes big on Bitcoin. Japanese public company MetaPlanet just bought $6.25 million worth of Bitcoin. And the world's largest custodian bank, BNY Mellon, reports exposure to Bitcoin ETFs. Finally, touching on Bitcoin, we are looking at the monthly time frame. There are 4 days left for Bitcoin to confirm this move. 4 days of April left. We want a monthly candle close above 61,500 on Bitcoin, and that is what we're watching right now. It's currently sitting at 63,000, continuing to trend down, and that is not a large space right here. We want to close above this. A close above this will confirm moves higher for Bitcoin or consolidation, and then moves higher. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to come talk with me and the most amazing people in Discord. Get your free stocks using Moomoo. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.